Welcome to AI Tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics of our time, artificial intelligence. What is AI? How does it work? And why is it changing the world so fast? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, simply means machines that can think and learn like humans. It's not about robots taking over the world, it's about technology that helps us work smarter, faster, and better. Examples of AI are already everywhere. Google searches voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, ChatGPT, Face Unlock on your phone, Netflix recommendation. Any technology that can analyze, learn, and make decisions is a form of AI. How does AI work? AI works by using something called data. Imagine feeding a computer thousands of pictures of cats. Over time, it learns what a cat looks like: eyes, ears, shapes, patterns. Now it can identify a cat even in a new picture. This learning process is called machine learning, a major branch of AI. There's also deep learning, where AI uses structures called neural networks that work like a tiny version of the human brain. This allows AI to recognize faces, translate languages, and even create images and videos. Globe, where is AI used today? AI is no longer the future, it's already everywhere. Healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases early. Business, automates work and boosts productivity. Education, personalized learning and smart tutoring. Transportation, self-driving cars and smart traffic systems. Creators, AI tools for video editing, script writing, and design. Even your social media feeds are controlled by AI, deciding what you see and when you see it. Rocket, how AI is changing the world. AI is revolutionizing every industry. It saves time, reduces human error, and helps us complete tasks that once took hours, now in seconds. AI is creating new careers, new businesses, and new possibilities. With AI tools, even beginners can build apps, edit videos, create art, and start online businesses, all with minimal skills. The world is moving toward automation, and AI is leading the way. Crystal ball, the future of AI. In the next few years, AI will be more advanced, more creative, and more powerful. We will see AI in homes, schools, offices, hospitals, and even small businesses. But along with opportunities, AI also brings questions. Will it replace jobs? How safe is it? Will AI be smarter than humans? These are important discussions, and on AI Tips, we explore all of them. If you want to stay ahead, learn AI tools, and understand the future of technology, make sure to subscribe to AI Tips. Here, we turn complex AI concepts into simple, powerful tutorials anyone can follow. Hit the like, subscribe,